Once upon a time, in a vast, arid desert, there lived a tarantula named Tara. She was known far and wide for her intricate, beautiful webs that shimmered in the desert sun. One day, Tara noticed a small ant struggling in her web. Instead of consuming the ant, Tara felt a strange compassion. She carefully untangled the ant and watched it scurry away, grateful for its newfound freedom. Word of Tara's kindness spread throughout the desert, and creatures began to gather around her web, seeking her help. Some were trapped in her web, others were lost, and many were simply in need of a friend. As the days passed, Tara found herself spending less time weaving her intricate patterns and more time helping those in need. The desert bloomed with life, and Tara was admired by all. However, one day a scorpion approached Tara, seeking her help. The scorpion was dying and begged Tara to share her venom to save his life. Tara hesitated, remembering the pain the scorpion had caused many in the past. Tara pondered for a while, weighing the life of the scorpion against the well-being of the desert. She realized that though the scorpion had caused harm in the past, he too could change and be a part of the desert's bloom. With a heavy heart, Tara shared her venom, and the scorpion was saved. The scorpion, grateful for Tara's kindness, vowed to change his ways and help others in need. From that day forward, the desert was filled with life, and Tara was known as the tarantula who taught the scorpion the value of change, compassion, and the power of second chances. Moral asterisk: even in the harshest of environments, kindness and compassion can create a world of growth and transformation. Every creature has the potential to change for the better, and it is up to us to give them the chance.